Well, compared to this time yesterday, it is cold out there. Medford, 57 degrees right now. Klamath Falls at 43 degrees. Mount Shasta, 51 degrees. And in Montague, it was 55. And the wind gusts were just shy of that. The peak wind gust so far in Montague was 51 miles per hour. Right now, gusting at 40 miles per hour. Medford at 21, fairly breezy at the coast, and especially in Northern California right now. They did see some blowing dust that actually reduced visibility by about a quarter of a mile earlier today. Crater Lake right now seeing some snow. It's not sticking to the roadways just yet, but as we head into the overnight hours, expecting to see more snow over the passes, including Siskiyou Summit. Not expecting it to linger very long over Siskiyou Summit, but by tomorrow morning, you could be dealing with that. Also at the coast, seeing those clear skies. A lot of sunshine out at Port Orford right now. A little bit different of a view. The further west you head, the sunnier it is. That's also a little bit different than what we were dealing with earlier this week. So we're seeing a low pressure move through our area. You can see a lot of rain moving in. Most of it's actually going to be hitting the east side as we head into this evening. That's where you can see going right now. This is the center of that low pressure system. And it's bringing rain and snow already to our area. Looking at our sweeping radar, you can see snow all in the Cascades right now, as well as spotty snow showers on the east side. That will continue into tonight as well. Expecting to see another chilly night on tap. Temperatures in the mid-30s for west side valleys and in the 20s for the east side. As we head in the next few days, the cold weather is here to stay, and I'll tell you when our next chance for rain is in just a few minutes. Last week, we saw highs on the west side close to 80 degrees. We were in the 70s in the basin, and today a cold front came through, and that's exactly what it did. It dropped our temperatures, 57, 59 for Grants Pass and Medford. Klamath Falls was one of the warmer spots. Lakeview, in fact, was even warmer, 68 degrees for a high temperature today. And that's because a cold front just went from the north down to the south and just took a little bit longer to reach the east side. So temperatures were able to warm up more so on the east side due to less clouds and that cold front coming through. Those clouds are going to be clearing the next few nights. Not so much tonight. Tonight is going to be fairly mild out there temperature-wise compared to where we could be if it was clear skies. That's where we're going to be seeing those temperatures drop as we head into Tuesday morning. A freeze watch already been issued for the west side valleys for Jackson and Josephine County, including Grants Pass and Medford, the Ashland area as well. Expecting temperatures to be at or below freezing by Tuesday morning. Right now, it is pretty chilly out there. 56 in Brookings, just a degree warmer in Medford. We're seeing showers right now in Medford and in Klamath Falls. Mount Shasta, 51 degrees, and it's fairly breezy further to the south because the cold front just is moving through that area right now. So let's look at that front. You can actually see it in our satellite and radar loop. This line of clouds right here pushing through Siskiyou County right now, bringing rain and snow with it. Light for the most part. Some of the higher elevations did see rain totals up close to ½ an inch. So this low pressure is going to shift south and then push east. And as it goes east, it is going to be bringing quite a bit of rain, snow, and potentially some severe weather. But not for us. We're going to be seeing fairly light accumulations with this disturbance. Snow levels will be dropping to 4,000 feet by tomorrow morning. That does mean that we could see some light snow accumulations on the Cascade Passes, Diamond Lake Summit, Lake of the Woods, and yes, even Siskiyou Summit could be dealing with a bit of snow by tomorrow morning. So as you're heading out on your morning commute, be prepared to run on some snow if you are going to be going over those passes. Just be prepared for that. It won't linger too long during the day tomorrow. By mid-morning, it should be all melted off. We are going to continue to see showers through the morning. That could add a little bit more to it, but it is going to be lighter, more isolated showers we head into tomorrow, and most areas will be dry by mid to late morning. The east side will have a better chance to see a few showers in the early afternoon. We're all going to be much colder then as we head into this week compared to the last 2 weeks. Almost the exact opposite of what we were dealing with. No longer those warm, sunny days, but rather cold and rainy days for the majority of this week. So at the coast for tomorrow, we're actually going to be seeing more sunshine because the system is going to get out of your area first. We're going to be seeing fairly breezy winds, though. Could see gusts up to 20 miles per hour. In the valleys, isolated showers mainly in the morning. Temperatures in the mid-50s again tomorrow. On the east side, it is going to be cold out there. 45 degrees in the mountains. 45 degrees at Howard Prairie, Prospect, 50 degrees. Crater Lake, 31 degrees for our high temperature. Fairly breezy out there as well. Snow levels will start off at 4,000 feet and climb to about 5,000 feet by the afternoon. In the basin, here's those cold temperatures. 38 degrees for Silver Lake. Lakeview a little bit warmer, but still 40 degrees. Unseasonably cool out there. Add the wind on top of that. It's going to be feeling quite cold tomorrow. Northern California also fairly chilly. Weed, 50 degrees for a high temperature, just a degree warmer in Mount Shasta. A few showers, mainly in the morning. So after those showers move through, we are going to be seeing a drier start to the week, but rain moves in as we head into the weekend. Temperatures in the mid-60s for the basin, temperatures in the overnight hours for the warmer spots in the low to mid-20s through the week. In the Cascades, a cold start to the week and really only warming up to the low to mid-40s by the end of the week, and then we'll see snow again over the weekend. In Siskiyou County, back into the 70s on Tuesday. Enjoy it because you're back into the 60s on Wednesday. A little bit warmer Thursday and Friday, and then that rain moves in with another cold front, dropping our temperatures yet again in the low 70s for our valley locations through the beginning of the week. Those temperatures are actually going to be dropping as we head into the weekend, and expecting more rain on the way for the weekend. As we head into the overnight hours, expecting to see a few isolated showers continuing. Around 7 o'clock, isolated showers as well, temperatures in the mid-60s. And by this evening, expecting to see a few isolated showers. But as we head into tomorrow, more sunshine, but we'll have to wait till the afternoon. I'll be back with those details. Mark, I went and saw this and saw that it was very, very bright, so I went ahead and darkened it. So this is the wind gust graphic, so if you didn't like it because it was too bright, let me know what you think of this one.